it is quite disheartening that it is now common practice for lawyers to have to consider looking over their shoulders before accepting a client's brief. The Constitution of Kenya and the international human rights laws explicitly state that everyone has a right to representation by a lawyer of their choice. We are outraged by these threats leveled against the life of one of our own and are deeply concerned by the practice environment that advocates in Kenya have to endure. Our fears are further heightened by the sudden death of one of the key suspects, David Mwai, in Mikhtar's attempted assassination under unclear circumstances. We shall further call upon our members and the public to engage in peaceful protest until such a time that the protection of Mr. Kanjama's life is a guarantee, and all suspects, and again we repeat, all suspects subsequently face the full wrath of the law.